Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to talk about Diamond Awards on Royal Caribbean. We're going to talk first of all about the Diamond drink vouchers. So as you know, and have probably been researching YouTube, which is hard to find, when you are Diamond on Royal Caribbean, you get 4 free drink vouchers a day. And when you're Diamond Plus, you get 5 drinks a day, and Pinnacle you get 6. So I'm going to show you the receipt that I just received from the Schooner Bar here on the Icon of the Seas. And we'll just kind of go over it real fast. It's quick and easy, but hey, we learn a lot too on this cruise, so definitely want to share it with you. Okay, so as you can see on the very top of the receipt, it has Royal Caribbean International, has your ship name, and the Schooner Bar, the bar you're drinking at. Has the date, your server, and all that. Today I just enjoyed a Jameson Irish whiskey with ginger ale. So it came out to $10.99 under the drink voucher. Because your drink vouchers are good for $14. It was subtracted by $10.99, so grand total $0. That's pretty obvious stuff. The cool stuff on the bottom is the Crown and Anchor, the C&A beverage voucher, 2 of 4. You know, every receipt shows you where you are in your drinks for that day. So again, you have 4 drinks for Diamond, 5 drinks for Diamond Plus, and 6 drinks for Pinnacle. So, you know, Leslie and I has been laughing all week. It's like, where are you at in your number? You know, I'm on 3. You know, but you know, you can always check yourself on your receipt. So basically, pretty simple stuff. You know, we didn't know, right? We tried to figure this out. This is our Diamond cruise. So just definitely wanted to share the information with you. They track it pretty easy with the drink vouchers and the Wi-Fi. It's a pretty legit step in the Crown and Anchor Society. It's a big step to get there. It's a lot of dedication to get the Diamond and Diamond Plus. So keep working at it. For all of the Diamond Plus Pinnacle people, congratulations. It's a long, hard road. You know, I've been cruising since 1984, although my first couple cruises with Royal Caribbean did not count because that was before the Crown and Anchor Society. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time and hanging out with me. If you could like and subscribe to the channel, if you like this content, that really helps. Then we could just keep striving forward to bring you guys good material. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll catch you next time.